Hey guys, this is Vibhav and you're watching VibsTech, and in this video let's do the quick unboxing of Realme 3 Pro. Here I have the retail unit with me. This is 6GB RAM 64GB variant, but this phone comes with 3 variants. The base variant will come with 4GB RAM 64GB storage, and mid variant will come with 6GB RAM 64GB storage, which I have here, and the higher variant will come with 6GB RAM 128GB storage. So let's quickly unbox the phone and see what it contains in the box. So inside you will see SIM ejector tool and a case, which is transparent case, and it looks good. This phone comes with 2 color options. Here which I have is carbon gray color, and you can get blue color as well. It has 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display, 25 megapixel front camera and 16 plus 5 megapixel rear camera. Realme claims that the rear facing camera sensor is the same which is used in OnePlus 6T, and it is the same Sony sensor camera. And Realme has provided a fast VOOC charger, which is 5 volt 4 ampere charger, but the cable is still micro USB, it's not type C cable, but as they have provided a VOOC charger which is fast, so it should be okay. It comes with the Snapdragon 710 octa-core processor, 6.3-inch Full HD Plus IPS display and 4045 mAh battery with fast charging. You can insert 2 nano SIM and dedicated micro SD card slot is available. It has fingerprint sensor on the back, and it comes with Android Pie and ColorOS 6. So here was the quick unboxing and overview of Realme 3 Pro. And if you have still not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.